In this video, we're going to talk about topic 6.4, which is multiplying polynomials. Our essential question is, how do you multiply a polynomial expression? And our I can statement is, I can multiply a polynomial expression. As always, you can always pause as you're going through the videos. We're going to skip all the way to explain 1 and talk about multiplying polynomials in this video. All right, just making sure that it's recording this time. So I'm going to use what we call the area model or the box, kind of like when we were factoring. So I'm going to draw a area model, and I notice that I have a binomial times a trinomial. So that's what I'm drawing. I could draw it like that. I could draw it like this. Either way will work. So I'm going to put my binomial down the side, so x plus 2. And then I'm going to put my trinomial on the top, 1 minus 4x plus 2x squared. And now we're going to multiply. So I multiply this times this, and that would get me that first box. So 1 times x would be 1x. X times negative 4x would be negative 4x squared. X times 2x squared would be 2x cubed. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times negative 4x is negative 8x. 2 times 2x squared is 4x squared. Then you'll notice that, ooh, that didn't change like it was supposed to. Hang on. Now it's going crazy. Okay, so this was a 1x. You'll notice that the diagonals 90% of the time are your like terms. So we're going to combine our like terms. Typically when we write a polynomial, we start with the highest exponent first. So we would say 2x cubed. Notice my x squareds end up canceling. Then 1x minus 8x would be negative 7x, and then plus 2. So we'll try one more here together. So I'm going to use my area model or my box. I notice it's a binomial times a trinomial. So I'm going to go 3x minus 4 and 2 plus x minus 7x squared. I'm going to multiply it just like a multiplication table. So 3x times 2 would be 6x. 3x times x would be 3x squared. 3x times 7x squared would be negative 21x squared. Sorry, x cubed. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Negative 4 times x would be negative 4x. And negative 4 times negative 7 is 28x squared. Again, our diagonals are like terms. So I'm going to add up my diagonals, putting my highest exponent first. So negative 21x cubed. 3x squared and 28x squared would be 31x squared. 6x minus 4x is positive 2x, and then minus 8. Before you watch the next video, I highly recommend just trying these two problems on your own to make sure you understand it before I actually do it with you.